In most careers, getting older works against you. In these 3 trades, it works for you. Your pay goes up. Your value goes up. Your options go up. Today, I'm counting down 3 trades where the age is not a liability. It's the entire point. Most career advice is built for 22-year-olds. Fastest growth, quickest certification, get in young. Here's what almost nobody talks about. There are trades where the entire compensation structure rewards time, not just experience in general sense. Specifically, years logged, hours documented, and reputations earned through tenure that simply cannot be rushed. In these trades, a 50-year-old with the right credentials often out-earns a 30-year-old in the same field. That is not common in most careers. In these 3, it is the entire model. Number 1 on this countdown is a career where decades of relationships and trust creates an earning ceiling that young professionals simply have not reached yet. Stay with me for that one. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's count it down. Number 3, NDT technician, level 3 inspector, and procedure writer. Starting at number 3, with one of the most credential-driven age advantages in the entire trades world. An NDT, non-destructive testing technician, inspects welds, pipelines, and structural components for integrity using ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle inspection, and other specialized methods. Here's the tier structure that makes age such a powerful factor in this career. ASNT Level 2 technicians earn $68,000 to $105,000. That is solid pay for a certified mid-career technician. But level 3, the top tier in the entire field, requires years of documented field experience on top of passing the technical exam. There's no shortcut. There's no way to test out of the time requirement. Level 3 specialists, the ones qualified to write inspection procedures and certify other inspectors, are clearing $110,000 to $145,000. Here's what makes the senior level 3 inspectors so valuable. In many regional markets, the senior NDT level 3 inspector in their 50s and 60s is the only person qualified to sign off on most safety critical inspections. Nuclear, aerospace, petrochemical. That position takes decades to reach, and it can't be rushed at any price. All right, next up. If you've ever dreamed of financial, location, and time freedom, listen up. My brother Shane created Content Growth Engine. And I'm not just saying this because he's family. I'm a student and a member myself. In just 1 month, I had my first $214 day. By month 4, I had a $445 day. And by month 5, I had a $519 day. And it just keeps building from there. It's a simple, proven system for growing your YouTube channel and earning a full-time income in less than 4 hours a week. No marketing background, no tech skills, just results. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Go check it out and start building your freedom today. Number 2, stationary engineer, chief engineer. Here's number 2, and this one has one of the most literal age equals income structures in the entire trades world. A stationary engineer operates and maintains the high-pressure boilers, chillers, and central plant systems in hospitals, universities, and commercial buildings. The licensing structure here is built entirely around documented hours. First class, second class, chief engineer license. Each tier requires a specific number of supervised operating hours that can't be rushed. You cannot test out of the time requirements. You cannot pay a school to shortcut it. The only way to reach chief engineer is to log the hours, year after year. Here's the pay picture that results from that structure. Licensed stationary engineers earn $72,000 to $105,000. Chief engineers, the people who have put in the decades to reach the top license, are clearing $110,000 to $160,000. Union stationary engineers in major cities with full tenure push total compensation above $150,000. With benefits. The 30-year-olds in this trade simply can't out-earn the 55-year-olds with a chief engineer license. The system will not allow it. Time is the credential. All right, number 1, the career where decades of relationships create an earning ceiling young professionals haven't reached yet. Here it is.
Hey, real quick, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, some of these are generally interesting, but still need help figuring out which direction makes sense for me, check out Course Careers. They got an AI career counselor named Coura, and she will literally walk you through it. Coura helps you figure out if HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, or a supply chain coordinator fits your goals, your lifestyles, your personality. Then you can start the free intro course it recommends. No experience, no degree needed, and get a real feel for the day-to-day before you commit to anything. Students have used this to break into high-paying careers in as little as 4 to 12 weeks. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Trust me, knowing which trade fits you before you go all in, that's the smartest move you can make.
Number 1, the closer. Construction project executive, senior industry veteran. Okay, here's number 1. And the age advantage here comes down to something that cannot be taught in a classroom or rushed through a certification. Accumulated trust. A construction project executive oversees multiple major projects simultaneously, coordinating general contractors, subcontractors, owners, representatives, and design teams on budgets in tens of millions. Here's a documented pay picture. Senior construction project managers earn $85,000 to $130,000. Property executives at large general contractors with decades of industry relationships and a track record across dozens of completed projects are documented at $150,000 to $250,000 in major markets like New York, Chicago, and San Francisco. Total compensation at this level pushes above $250,000 with bonuses included. Quick break here. If you need help to decide what niche videos would be good for you, click the CGE Content Growth Engine link in the description and pinned in the comments below. Here is why age is a defining factor in the specific career. The senior project executive value is not just project management skills. It is the accumulated trust of owners and developers who have worked with them for 20 years and know exactly what they're getting. A developer choosing who runs a $200 million project is not choosing based on a resume alone. They are choosing based on a track record they have personally witnessed over decades. That track record cannot be purchased. It can't be rushed. It can only be built one project, one relationship, and one decade at a time. The 55-year-old project executive with 30 years of completed projects and trusted relationship is in almost every case the most valuable person in the room, not despite their age. Because of it, that is why construction project executive is number 1 on this list. Quick break here. If you're sitting here wondering which trade is actually right for you specifically, I built a free 5-minute tool that walks you through it. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Look, most careers treat age as something working against you. These 3 prove the opposite. NDT Level 3 Inspector, Chief Stationary Engineer, Construction Project Executive. 3 trades where time tenure and accumulated trust are not obstacles. They're the entire engine of the income. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment. Are you starting to trade later in life? I want to hear your story. I read every single one. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.
If you need to learn a trade, go to Zach of all trades.